Hello guys, today we will be going to make a navbar, sliding navbar. When we click this, then this is our navbar and background changes, and when we click here, then navbar close. Here is our structure of the website. So first of all, this is our page. And inside page we will be adding here icon which have 3 lines, and at second stage we are going to make navbar which have wide of 70 VW. VW means vertical wide. If it is 100 vertical wide, then this is 70 vertical wide. And here we will adding list like home, chat, more, about us, etc. So when we will click here, then it should be arrive, and its height will be 100 px as the total height of page. And this is our closing tab. So when we will click in this area, then this navbar should be closed. So this will be our structure of the website. Let's go to code. Let's create a project, and here is our HTML project, and then I am adding name slide navbar and create. Here we will get HTML, JavaScript and CSS. We don't need to connect every time because they are connected already. Here you can see the link rel style sheet href style.css. It has been connected, and for JavaScript here is the code, and we don't need this. First of all, I am going to create an icon. So from where I am creating icon is, I have an application that is iconic. In this application you will get lots of icons. So I am creating here 3 line. So here is the 3 bar, removing background. So this is a opacity should be 0, and here I will get this 3 line, but 3 line color should be changed. And here is our save button. Let's add an image icon, img tag, and inside src, first of all we need to import the photo or icon. Import files, and then go to recent, and in recent you will get the images or icon. So I am changing name. Here should be menu icon. So at src I am adding menu dot icon. Oh, sorry, I'm getting so cringy. Why my mind is not working? Menu icon dot png. Now it will work. Okay, I have left the spelling n. Now menu icon is correct. Okay, now we have the menu icon. Let's add in css in this src images. So I am adding class here. Open nav bar css. Here I am adding universal selector, padding 0. I am removing the initial padding and margin that is already contains in a page, and I am giving box sizing border box to stop overflow from the div. Now add css in dot open navbar wide 40 pixel. Now you can see the size is changed. Let's create a div. The name of navbar. This is our navbar container which contains ul on order list and then list, and then if I want to copy this whole line, then I have shift alt and arrow down, shift alt and arrow down, shift alt and arrow down. So here is our setting. So now we have this list. Now I am going to add css dot navbar heigst height 100 vh, wide 70 vw, vertical wide, background black, padding okay, I am not giving padding now. Let's see what is our result. Here you can see this is our navbar, but here you can't see the list because they are in black color, so I am changing the color white. Now you can see this is our list. Let's add padding, padding, padding. We need the padding of 20 pixel from everywhere. Okay, we got the padding. And I am leaving all the CSS styles on you, that how you will make this beautiful. But now I am going for function, that how to make sliding navbar. Here I am also adding at the right side one more div so that we can close navbar. For that I am creating here again div dot, I am adding class name close navbar. So I am going again in CSS dot close nav bar. Width will be 30 BW. Height will be 100 BH. Vertical height, this is our vertical height, so it is 100. BG background color should be blue. For now I am keeping it blue. But our this blue div should be here at the right side, but it is a downside. So for that I am making navbar display inline block. Here you can see, if we make display inline block to only this nav, then it will not work more effectively. So I have to make also display inline block to this div, that closing navbar div. I am also fixing the position for both. Position fixed. And here we have property top 0, left, from left it will be 0. Same goes for close navbar. Position fixed, top 0, but now it should be from right, it should be 0. Now you will see the result what we want. Now let's make this div to the totally left side, so we can see, so that we will not able to see the navbar. For that we have the property transform translate x, it will be x direction, it will take x direction, but minus will go at left side and plus will go to at the right side. So we need the minus 100%, it will go totally 100% to the left. So now you will not able to see the okay. Sorry, I have added this CSS in close navbar, but I should add it in the navbar. So I am copying this one and adding this CSS in this one. Now you will see the result that we want. Okay, now you can't see the black navbar, and also we need to remove this one first of all. So this display will be none for now. Now there is nothing, we have just only this icon. Now let's go to JavaScript. We can add the add event listener to this icon, and then this CSS will be changed to transform translate 0%. Let's go to JavaScript. So here I am selecting let open navbar is equals to document dot get element by class name. Here is elements. In class name we add the elements, elements by class name. Don't be confused, you can do wrong, so I have told. And here is our firstly name of icon CSS. Here we have to give this class, so that we can add the add event listener to the image. Open navbar then it is class, so we have to give here 0. Let's add event listener. Open navbar dot add event listener, and here first we have to provide the click event. So after click we will run function. So inside function we will change the navbar position. So for that we have to select again navbar, shift alt and down. Here I need only navbar. So here I need only navbar. Now navbar dot style dot transform is equals to translate x to 0%. Now you can see when I click the icon, navbar icon, then it opens the navbar. But there is no transition, so we have to add transition. For that, I am here adding transition 1 second. To navbar, I am adding transition 1 second. Now you can see there is some transition. And second part is when it now the second problem is when we open this nav, there here should be open the close area. For that I am again going to JS. For that I have to select this close navbar. So let's select close navbar. Here is close close navbar, and I have to also change here close navbar, and I have to change the CSS of close navbar. Close display is equals to inline block. Now you can see the result that we want. Now we have to add event listener to this close navbar. So what happened after we click the close navbar? So for that I am adding the add event listener to the close navbar. Now when we click this area, blue area, then this nav bar should close. It should reduce its transform translate 0% to -100%. And view areas should also be hidden, so for that we have to display none. Now you can see the things that we want is here. Now let's remove the color of close navbar. So now you can see our responsive navbar is here. And last now I'm going to make the background blur, so body will be in dim color so that it looks more good. So for that I'm going for main.js. When we click open navbar, then body background colors will be changed. So document dot body dot style dot background should be RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.5. Now you can see the background is dimming, but when we close the navbar, it should go remain its own initial position. It should go in its initial color. For that again I am adding this property in close navbar, but here will be none. Now you can see the result is in our hand. The things that we need is in our hand. So I am adding here 0.5 second, and in another I am adding 0.5 second. Now you can see our navbar is more awesome and looking more good than before. So here is the CSS in list. I think you can do this CSS. You can add some padding more and more and give margin, and you can also list style. Here is the list style type. There is some list style type that is bullet. So to remove that, we have list style type none. Like here I will show you dot navbar uli, then list style type none. Then our bullets will be removed. Here you can see bullet is removed. and I can also provide some padding. 50 40 pixel. Now you can see that is more, so I am reducing the padding. Now you can see here is our navbar. You can add some more interesting CSS style that is in your hand and that is depends on your talent, so do whatever you want. And thanks for the watching video. I hope you have liked the video, and if you want like this more, then please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon too. Thank you. In next video we will learn this in pure CSS, how to make this all the things in pure CSS without using JavaScript. So please, so stay tuned. I will be coming soon in next video.